The camp of Alan Peter Cayetano won dahil napakinggan po ang 18 ex-soldiers. Kasi ayaw nila ng Marines, ex-soldiers, ayaw rin ng ex-soldiers, gusto naman nila ngayon kargador or basurero. But nevertheless, they have testified. No? They should have tried their best to cross-examine and talk to them sana, nakialam. See, without these testimonies or yung nailahad, yung statement ng mga 18 Marines, hindi natin alam eh. We are all in limbo. Eh gusto po na talaga natin makinig. Yan lang naman talaga ang pinaglalaban. And in this particular situation, we already won. Now, as to the issue of the statement of the IBP, tapos meron daw, allegedly, merong conflict of interest yung isa doon sa IBP head, no? And at the same time, automatic kaagad ang President recognizing the new allegedly the new Senate majority, these are all parang nakikita ko parang it's a sort of conspiracy. It is an action by yung parang talaga ang may hawak nito is ang Malacanang. In fact, I agree with the statement of Senator Peter Alatan Cayetano. It is the Senate of the Malacanang. Itong sila Gatchalian na camp.